Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about some basic shelter setup tips. When standing up a Base X folding frame shelter, be sure that the perimeter hubs are locked prior to standing up one side. Once one side is stood up, ensure all the interior hubs are locked. When striking the shelter, designate one person to check that all the hubs in the interior are disconnected. Do the same thing for the perimeter hubs. For AirBeam shelters, remember to always lay out and stake down the bracing straps in accordance with the TM. Do not try and inflate the shelter without the bracing straps staked down. The AirBeam shelter relies on the bracing straps to help the individual AirBeams to deploy properly. Inflating the shelter without the bracing straps staked down will inhibit the shelter from standing up. Remember to shut off each AirBeam by closing the valve in each AirBeam access pocket. By the way, did you know you can get repair packs for your HDT shelters? We have repair packs for all the common shelters. And that's it. And that wraps up today's installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope you found it helpful. Look for more tech tips on all HDT products.